Stop the clock, break the clock, but don't let time run out on the clock-stopping deals this week at Schaumburg Toyota. Hi, I'm Charlie, the Midnight Mechanic at Schaumburg Toyota, the Midwest's largest volume Toyota dealer. We've stopped the clock on price increases so you can still get 87 prices on new 88 Toyota cars and trucks. Supras, Camrys, MR2s, even trucks and vans. Take home a free clock with every car or truck. Or smash it here with our clock-stopping deals at Schaumburg Toyota, 875 West Gulf Road in Schaumburg. Schaumburg Toyota.